What's up YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today in this video we are doing a low impact beginner workout for anyone at home. So all exercises in this workout are 30 seconds long. There'll be no rest because they're easy workouts, exercises in my opinion. So you're going to start off with 30 seconds of march on the spot. You're going to try and get your knees up nice and high as you can. If you want to increase the difficulty, you can walk, so you can run with high knees, but if you want to keep it easy, you can walk with high knees and just march. Next, you're going to do lunges. Once again, 30 seconds on, and you can once again increase the difficulty that you're working out at. You can by doing lunge jumps, but obviously if you want to keep it easy, then you can just do normal lunges. And as you can see, I'm doing. And this will work your legs and it builds your leg muscle. So, and next you want to do curtsy lunges. As you can see here, your legs going behind to the side a bit. And I don't think you can really increase the difficulty on this. But once again, you do this for 30 seconds and that should be all right. So if you guys are watching this video and you saw the last video, I'm sorry about the last video because it wasn't very good quality of the camera. But hopefully this video will be better for you guys. So please make sure to like and subscribe, as it really supports the channel out. So I can get better content and get better at making videos for you guys to help you with your dream and getting in shape. So next you're going to do leg raises or leg swings, or you can do kicks if you want to. But I'm just going to do leg raises. As you can see here, you're trying to stick your arm out in front and try and kick your hand. Keep your legs straight though, because that also increases difficulty and stretches your leg out as well. It's a good stretching technique for a warm-up. Next you're going to do, you can either run in the spot, you can balance in the spot, you can do whatever you want. This is just, I don't really know what to call it, but you can run. It's just light, this one's light, you can run, you can jog, it's up to you. But I'm doing a mix here. I think I'm mainly running, so you can do that. You can do this for 30 seconds. If you want to, you can speed it up. You can jump high, you can jump faster, you can run faster, you can run high knees again if you want to. But this is easy. So next you're going to do punches, and you're going to do this for 30 seconds. You can increase difficulty if you want to by running punching, or you can increase it by faster punches. But if you want to do it beginner like me at the moment, low impact, you're going to do slow punches, as you can see here. But it's up to you. These are all optional. I'm just showing you exercise you can do for this workout. So if you want, and you're going to do that for 30 seconds again. Next you're going to do squats, and once again you're going to do this for 30 seconds. I don't even know why I keep saying do it for 30 seconds. You're going to do all these exercises for 30 seconds. And once again, this can be increased difficulty. You can do squat jumps, or you can do like tuck squat jumps, or whatever you want to do. But at the moment, I'm just going to do normal squats, as I'm showing you guys, the beginners, low impact workout exercises. Next, we're going to do skipping on this without air jump rope. If you have a jump rope, if you actually have a skipping rope, you can do that. You can use the skipping rope, but obviously I don't have a skipping rope at the moment, and there's not enough room to do it, so I'm going to do air, and it's quicker because obviously you don't have to go find it, get it out, and then sort it all out. And then this can't be increased to a harder difficulty, but this is like the beginner's one. Next, you're going to do star jumps, and at the moment I'm doing the more advanced star jump version. There is a more advanced one that's like a explosive star jump. That's where you get down, and it's a mix between a squat and a star jump. So you get down and you stick your arms out. But you can, there's an easy version to this, and it's a half star jump, as you can see I'm doing at the moment. So you don't use your arms, you just use your legs in and side and inwards. And this is good for a warm-up. Last exercise, so you're going to do shoulder taps. So you're going to get into, you can either do it in a plank position or a high plank position, and you can increase the difficulty by going faster, as you can see I'm doing now. And this is a good workout because good beginner's exercise, because it's very, very slow and easy all it does is require you to tap your shoulders. So thank you for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe, as I said earlier, so I don't do the exact don't do what I did again like I did last video. Please, thank you. Bye.